No one wants to worry about carpet and tile cleaning. And with so many shady companies overcharging for services you thought should be included, it's easy to see why people put off calling any cleaner. But your dirty carpet is really bugging you. And speaking of bugs, you don't even want to think about all the pathogens, dust mites, and other creepy crawlies threatening your health. But with Effortless 365, you can eliminate dirty carpets, filthy tile, and stress. We've built our reputation on trust and care. In fact, once you're familiar with us, you can use our most popular service, absentee cleaning. Leave for work or errands with gross carpet and come home to clean, fresh carpet. With Effortless 365, there are no surprise fees or upsells. Scheduling is a breeze, and money never changes hands during service times. But the best part? Our customers love our affordable monthly plan to help keep this necessary service budget-friendly. We're also carpet cleaning geeks that love our work, love our customers, and we have fun making sure you're healthy, happy, and stress-free enough to enjoy your beautiful carpets and tile. So instead of procrastinating until your carpets are permanently damaged, let us show you why we're known for making the whole process an easy, fast relief. Just click below to begin your home's transformation stress-free with beautiful, fresh, and clean carpet and tile.